Hi everyone, this is a tutorial on a market research database called eMarketer that we have access to through the library. eMarketer is considered the go-to authority on market research related to digital marketing, social media, e-commerce, and all those kinds of digital areas. So I'm going to share my screen and we can take a look at how to access it. So again, you want to make sure that you're accessing our databases through the library website, and we have put them together in a course guide for you. So make sure that you're coming in through the course guide. We have also created a getting started video that you should watch before you go into any databases. It'll just give you some general tips on how to access databases through the library. So if you haven't watched that yet, I suggest you go take a look at it. You can find it under the database tutorials tab in your course guide. But if you're ready to go into eMarketer, head into the Gathering Market Research tab and just scroll down, and eMarketer is listed as one of the key resources for the course. So click there and you will be connected into the database. This is what their homepage looks like. They've got some trending information, their latest reports, some popular reports that have been published. So if you see anything interesting here, click away and start reading. They also have, as you can see here, some research related to COVID-19. So you could take a look there to see if there's anything that's been published related to what you're working on. You can also, across the top here, have a quick look at the topics that are covered in eMarketer. You've got a list here of all these digital areas. Also, they've got a breakdown of the industry coverage that they have, and then finally the geographies that they have. So if you're just interested in seeing what kind of information they have on Canada, you could go in that way as well. But we're going to do a search. As you can see, it says you can search for marketing, media, advertising, consumer information. So I'm going to do a search for Generation Z. And we will see what comes up. So as you can see, we've got 740 results here, and it's showing us everything related to Generation Z. So it's a lot of information that we're looking at right now. You can use these filters on the left-hand side to filter down the information that you're looking at. Maybe you just want information that is specific to North America or maybe Canada. As you can see, there's 35 results for Canada. And then you can go down, change the content type. Maybe you're just interested in charts, which are just a single image that shows you information, or reports are more in depth. You can go into topic. Maybe there's a specific topic you want to break down, industry, demographics even further, and then publication date. So maybe you want information that's more recent within the last year, or super recent within the last 90 days, which would probably be a good idea, because then you know that you're reading information that has been published since the COVID-19 pandemic has started. So you know it will be very relevant and up to date, and definitely more applicable to your existing questions. But if we scroll back up, this is information related to Canada. You can see that we've got the Canada filter on. And so these charts, this is literally what a chart looks like in eMarketer. It's just a single image, which very quickly shows you the answer to the question in the title. So sources of news during the coronavirus pandemic among Gen Z consumers in Canada by age. And so if this is something that you want to include in a presentation that you're working on or in a report, you can download this as a JPEG. You can download the information into Excel if you want to work with the data, or you can download it as a PDF. It also has the source information here, which will be very helpful for creating your citations of where you get your information. I'm going to quickly go back and show you a report as well. So this is what a report looks like for eMarketer. As you can see, it's quite lengthier. It's a 31-minute read. You've got your table of contents here, 12 to 17, so that's ages. So this would be your Gen Z category that you might want to take a look at. Again, you're able to download this as a PDF or into a PowerPoint. And so that was a very quick, fast introduction to eMarketer. If you have any more questions about how to use the database, you can feel free to book a meeting with me through Microsoft Teams and we can chat about it, or feel free to send me an email as well. That's always an option too. And hopefully you find some useful information in eMarketer.